As you can see here, something blew out. Aside from breaking a lot of laws, copywritten music. Nice. Guys, I'm super duper excited. I'm on the way to the gas station to go fill up with E-85. Hopefully you guys have been tuning in to the videos leading up to now, installing all of the stage 3 mods, the big turbo, the fueling mods, low pressure pump, multi-port injection, and all of the goodies that go along with going full stage 3. Let's just get straight to it, bro. I'm super duper excited, man. Let's go. All right, so I was trying to get some cool shots with the DJI. I'm a little bit green as far as the tracking and stuff like that, so we're gonna go for the first start. So let's see what we got going. We're on full E. I put 10 gallons of E85 in the tank. Oh, copywritten music. Also, what's understated is how much cheaper it is to run E85. All right, boys, we finally got some movement on the E gauge. I'm gonna try to just keep it ginger until everything levels out. I'm gonna drive it for probably maybe 15 minutes, just kind of let it figure out how much E is in the tank, and then we'll go from there. I went to 3 different stations and they all ended up at E62. It only ever got up to about E60, so. Spicy. She's a little spicy. Got a little worried on that one. I'm over here gripping the camera. That was 405. Max boost is 33. apologize for being like up my nose right now. We're gonna try to get this log. I just so happened to notice that each time I was doing a pull, it would feel like the car was holding back. We're running out of space, man. It's really difficult doing these pulls. A lot of people don't know, like when you're logging for your tuner, aside from breaking a lot of laws, it's pretty difficult to actually find the right spot.
That's what she said.
That's my joke. Damn it, Dwight.
You can get a consistent pull. It's not too up and down, too hilly, smooth, all of that good stuff. So have the same spot, so it's consistent. He's getting consistent data. It's sketchy every time, I promise. Even with these pulls and the ambient temperature being really, really low, I still just had that burning suspicion that something was up. All right, guys, so most of you know I'm running an aftermarket billet aluminum deep motor intake manifold. As you can see here, something blew out the RTV that I had sealing. It was a pretty pretty crap job, I'm not gonna lie. So what we're gonna do is fix that. It was causing a strange startup issue. Let's get straight to it. I got the OE gaskets in place. Chop a little of the material down. I'm gonna try to get these to seat properly, and then we're gonna throw them in the car. All right, guys, so we got it all buttoned back up. Actually, we seem to have put it back together, so I'm excited, man.